Today in this video, we are gonna learn how to use your normal smartphone as a webcam in your Windows device. Open any of your favorite browser and search for IVCam. You can go to my video description. I will give the link of IVCam in the description box. Click on download for Windows. I have already downloaded it, so I am not downloading it again. Open the file. Click on OK. Click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. Make all this checked. Click on next again and click on install. It will take a few minutes to install. We will just wait for it. Click on finish. Then we will open the IVCam software. Click on yes again. Okay. Now let's go to our phone device. Go to Play Store. And then search for IVCam. Install it. The app is installed. Click on open. Click on while using this app. Make sure your PC and your smartphone is on the same network. If it is on the same network, you should see a play button on the bottom side of the app. Click on the play button. Your phone turn it into a webcam. Keep it on a safer place. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.